I'm Gwen Scott, coordinator for Fiddlers Grove. It's a real special day today. We're celebrating our opening season for 2018. Welcome.
It is an honor to be here today and to celebrate Fiddlers Grove as it begins its 27th year. You talk about the heritage that's here and a chance to go back and to relive some memories. If it wasn't for this place here preserving that, we wouldn't be able to hear those old stories. And you know, I know as many of you are close to my age in here, and there are people that have gone on that I wish I'd had a chance to maybe ask them some questions about what was going on back in their day. And that's what I really appreciate about Fiddlers Grove.
Now, for me personally, I really like old things and I like history. So I think this is a great thing for Wilson County and especially for our kids and grandkids to have somewhere where they can come and see history.
But before we go, I think there's somebody we'd like to recognize. Kim, do you have someone you'd like to recognize? Miss Ruby Armstrong. She volunteered here how many years ago? She's in her 90s. And we're just grateful that she was able to make it today. And she was one of our first volunteers. And we thank you for your service here. We have a new building here in Fiddlers Grove. It's the Moss Feed and Seed Store in memory of Hale Moss. Hale was the former president of the Wilson County Fair, and he passed away last year in 2017. He was the owner and operator of Moss Feed and Seed for many years. We just feel honored that his building is here in our presence.